Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we're making homemade tortillas. The things you'll need are 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you're going to want to mix those dry ingredients. You're also going to need 1/3 cup of lard, and you're going to mix that with your hands until it looks like crumbs. And then you're going to need 1 cup of hot water, and you're going to add that to the mixture and mix with your hands until the dough does not stick to your hands anymore. In this clip here, I'm working the lard into the flour mixture. You're going to want to make sure that all the lard is mixed in very well. We want it to be a crumbly consistency. So right here, I added in the hot water to the flour mixture so that I can start to make a dough for our tortillas. So after you get your dough, you're going to want to start to knead it or massage it for about 10 minutes. I know that's long, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. So all you do is fold it and push it down, as you can see here in the video. So after you're done kneading or massaging it for about 10 minutes, you're going to want to start to make your little dough balls. The amount of dough you'll need is about your middle finger to your pinky, and then you're going to want to start to form a sphere with your hands like you would with Play-Doh. Once you are done shaping the dough, you are going to cover the dough balls with a towel and let them rest for 8 to 10 minutes. After the dough is done resting, you're going to grab your rolling pin and start to roll out the dough. If you don't have a rolling pin, that's okay, you can use a glass as well. Don't forget to add flour to your counter space or the rolling pin so that the dough does not stick. Once you are cooking the tortillas, it should only take about a minute or a minute 30 on each side. Don't forget to add butter to your pan.